Hey guys, excuse how I look, I've got no makeup on today. I've just woken up. It is 7:45 and we are about to get started on, well, we're about to continue a huge order. So I've got 2 cakes, 30 cupcakes and 18 cake pops, and it is all for the same person. And then I'm delivering it later to Hemel on my way to the gym, because I gym in Hemel and they're also in Hemel, so it works out quite well. But it was a £250 order, and yeah, it's a lot. So the cakes are both crumb coated and they're both having the exact same design, so that's nice and easy. And then they're 2 different flavours, one is Biscoff, one is lemon. And then the cupcakes are chocolate with vanilla icing. The cupcakes are all baked. I did a bit of baking yesterday just because I thought that wouldn't be very interesting. I wanted to show you the decorating opposed to the baking side, because yeah, I thought there wasn't going to be like too much that I could tell you about that, whereas the decorating, obviously you can see how everything is made. I haven't made any of the cake pops, so again I thought I'd film that. And I'm just gonna keep you updated basically. So I've got until 6 o'clock. I'll probably be leaving around like maybe 5:45, 6 to deliver them, because I told them 6:30ish, so that is the plan. So I've got something like 10 hours to do it, and like I say, the cakes are already crumb coated, so that makes it a bit easier. But yeah, so I'm actually quite excited to see how it all turns out, and also get photos of it all because there's so much. I think I'm gonna start by baking all the cake pops. So I'm usually, for cake pops, make cupcakes. We've got 3 different flavours, so you can hear Cleo whining. She wants attention. What is the matter? Look at her. Hey. So yeah, we are going to bake the cake pop stuff first, because obviously once that's baked, then I can start decorating the cakes. Then we're going to make the cake pops, and then we're going to decorate the cupcakes last, because that'll be quick. So we're doing it in order of things that take the longest, basically. That's the way I like to do it. I've got a whole schedule, so yeah, I will show you that a little bit later. But yeah, I will see you in a little bit. So both the cakes are now finished, and I've also finished the cupcakes. It is 1:30, so we're actually on schedule. We're actually a bit early. I've got to run to Morrison's because I need to get... Actually, I don't know if I actually need to go to Morrison's. I don't think I do now. So I need some spread for the cake pops, but I think I'm going to make my own because one of them's cookies and cream, so I can just use white chocolate and Oreos and make that flavour, so that should be fine. I'm just going to turn you around and show you the cake's finished. For some reason my camera cut out, so I recorded the drip but you wouldn't have seen the final decoration, so I'm just going to turn you around. So I've just added macaroons onto the top. So this is the Biscoff one, and I've wrote a little note to say that the Biscoff has the macaroons on the right side, and then this is the lemon. I've actually still got the label on it, and that has the macaroon on the left side, so that's how they can tell the difference, but they are meant to be the same. So yeah, that is the cakes done. So we're going to move on to cake pops now. And also I just wanted to mention, sorry I've been MIA. I will go into it more detail probably in another video, but basically, like I said I think in one of my other videos, my anxiety has just been very, very bad, and it's actually affecting my work, which I hate, and it's gradually been getting worse over the past few months, which is why uploads have gone downhill, because I film stuff but I just don't have the focus to actually edit anything, and I get stressed a lot easier, so simple things which simple orders which should be easy are just stressing me out, which is why I haven't done lives, because they just stress me out. So yeah, I'm feeling a bit better today, which is why I'm filming, and I thought this would be a good thing for you to see, so hopefully you enjoy. I'm also editing the podcast tomorrow, so fingers crossed it will be up this weekend, because I filmed that episode with Cotswold Vegan Bakery and it's really good, so I need to get it up because I know you guys will be excited once it's all ready. So yeah, that is a little update on me. I hope everyone is well